Hello students. So I believe that you have done the practice of the first two questions of this exercise, and now you are aware that how we have to write any number in the international system, how to put commas, and how to identify the different places. What all places are there in any given numeric as a part of international system. So let's begin today's class with third question, which says that we have to find the place value of colored digits in international system. So as per international system, we have to identify the place value. Let's see. First of all, I'll rewrite this number with commas. So this is 2, 3, 4, 1, 9, 8 as a numeric number. After first three digits, I'll put comma. And then we have three digits, so no further comma is required. This is the number given to us. Now let us see what are the different places we have here. We have at ones place we have 8, tens place we have 9, hundred place we have 1, thousand place 4, 10,000 place we have 3, and 100,000 place we have 2. These are the different places we have, and this one is the color digit which we have to identify. So kids, we can see here that this color digit, it is present at which place? This is present at 1000 place, 3. So that means I have to multiply this digit 3 with the place value of 10,000. What is the place value of 10,000? It is straight. It is 10,000 only. So I'm writing 10,000 here. I think I have it is th. Yeah. So this is 10,000. The place value of 3 here. So it will come out 30,000. So the place value of the color digit 3 in this particular given number is 30,000. Also, let us try to see that what do we call this number in international system. So we will call this as 234,198. ओके, देखो हमारे पास वंस, टेंस, 100,000, 10,000 एंड 100,000 प्लेस तक डिजिट्स हैं. सो वी विल राइट दिस 2 कम्स एट 100,000 प्लेस. सो हम इसको बोलेंगे 234,198. ये नंबर है इन वर्ड फॉर्म इन इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम. एंड द प्लेस वैल्यू जो हमने फाइंड किया था 3 का, वो था 3 को हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया 10,000 से, बिकॉज द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ दिस नंबर 3 हियर इज एट दिस इज प्रेजेंट एट 10,000 प्लेस, तो हमने उसको उससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. दिस इज आवर आंसर. Same way we will do. So we already have commas here. So let us identify in here only. 1 is present at ones place. Then we have tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 at place we have 4, 100,000 is 0, nothing is there. And then we have million. At million place we have 6. And we have to find the place value of this 6 only. तो हम 6 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? हम 6 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1 मिलियन की प्लेस वैल्यू से. एंड 1 मिलियन की प्लेस वैल्यू वी सॉ, लेट मी गो थ्रू दिस थिंग अगेन. हमने देखा था 1 मिलियन की प्लेस वैल्यूज थी 6 zeros, 1 फॉलोड बाय 6 zeros. ठीक है, तो हम इसी से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. वी विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस विद द सेम थिंग. 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय the 1 million means 6 zeros. So the place value will become 6 into this thing. This is 1 million. So this is 6 millions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 million is the answer. And if I ask you that how do we say this number in words, it will be 6,042,381. क्योंकि 100 प्लेस पे 0 है. So we will say it as 6,42,381, and the place value of 6 here will be 6 millions because 6 is present at the millions place, and million के लिए we have to multiply this by 6 zeros. Okay, moving to next. So in this number, again it is very easy. We have ones, tens, 100. This one is 1,000, 10,000, and one is at 100,000 place. Okay, one हमारा है 100,000 place पे. So now अगर 100,000 place पे है तो हम इस digit को लिखेंगे पहले 1 को और multiply करेंगे place value of 100,000, which is simple 100,000, 100,000. 1 followed by 5 zeros. So the answer will be what? Answer will be 100,000 in international system. And अगर हम इसको देखें word form में, it will be 191,291 in the word form. Okay, because at 100 place we have 1. So we will begin from here. It is 191,291 in the word form, and the place value of this colored digit 1 in this whole number is 100,000 because 1 is present at the 100,000 place. The last one of the third question, the last part is here. Again, we will write down the places ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000, then million. Now this 1 is present at 100,000 place, same as above. 1 multiplied by 100,000, which give us 100,000 as the place value of this digit 1 in international system. And how do we call this number in words? It is 7,184,089. Okay, क्योंकि 100 place पे कुछ भी नहीं है, so we will say this as 7,184,089. ये हुआ हमारा word form में. So this is end of this question. Now we will move to the last question of the exercise, where we have to write these numbers in both international system and Indian system. So kids, what I am going to do is I'm going to tell you this in international system because I believe that by now we know how to write it in the Indian system. We have practiced so many exercises over the Indian system. So let us begin with this number. So this for international system, this is ones. First of all, I'm writing the commas. 3 digits, comma, and then again 3 digits. So we have ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000. Okay? तो ये क्या नंबर बन जाएगा? This will be 850,009 क्योंकि 100,000 प्लेस पे कुछ भी नहीं है. And this is the period of 1000. So we will write this as 850,009. Okay, and 9. This is the number. Next is this question, B part. Again, I am putting the commas first and the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. तो ये क्या नंबर बन जाएगा? 1,670,112. Correct? Because at million place we have 1. So I am writing 1,600,000 and 70,000 thousand, 670,000, then 112, 112. This is the answer. Next is this one, this number. So commas after 3 digits, again after 3 digits. And let us write down ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and millions. तो ये नंबर क्या बन जाएगा? This will be 4,290,281. So let us write, this is 4,290,000 and 281. 281 in international system. Now the last part of this is here. So commas, and then we will identify the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. So this is very easy again. 530,000, 563. So let us write, this is 530,000, 30,000, then 563, 563, 63. This is the answer. Okay, so kids, this brings us to the end of this exercise also. Indian system, we have practiced so many questions and I'm leaving this to you. But still, if you get confused here, you can always email me. I will attend your queries and we can cover it if required. But I am sure you will be able to do this. So this is the end of this exercise in class also. And we will begin with the next exercise, that is Roman numbers, in the next class. Okay, so I will see you in the next class now. Thanks for attending this class.